Do you love the sound of roaring jet engines, fast-paced environments, and behind-the-scenes airport action? Then working as ground crew at an airport might be your perfect fit. From loading cargo to helping passengers board, ground crew are the unsung heroes who keep everything running smoothly. Whether you're into physical, hands-on work or prefer helping people face-to-face, there's a ground crew role for you. In this video, we'll break down exactly what it takes to land a ground crew job and what to expect once you're in. Understanding the roles. Airports need ground crew for all kinds of tasks. Here are some of the most common jobs you'll find: baggage and cargo handlers, perfect if you like physical, outdoor work. Ramp agents, guiding aircraft and handling equipment on the tarmac. Maintenance and ground tech crew, keeping planes and gear in shape. Cabin service or station attendants, ensuring aircraft are clean and ready. Gate attendants, helping passengers check in and board smoothly. So whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or a people person, there's something for you. Eligibility and basic requirements. To begin a career as airport ground crew, you'll typically need to be at least 18 years old. This is a standard age requirement across most countries. However, some regions, such as India, may set an upper age limit for physically demanding roles, usually around 27 years old. You'll also need a high school diploma or GED to qualify for most entry-level ground crew positions. If you're currently still in school, it's best to complete your education first, as most employers won't move forward with your application until you've officially graduated. Once you meet the age and education criteria, the next step is passing a drug screening and background check. This is a mandatory part of the hiring process, as it determines your eligibility to receive an airport security clearance badge, which is essential for accessing restricted areas. If you fail the background check or drug screening, you won't be allowed to work in secured zones of the airport. Some positions may also involve random drug tests after hiring, depending on local policies and employer guidelines. Physical and job-specific requirements. Airport ground crew roles can be tough and airlines want to make sure you're up for the challenge. You must be able to lift 70 pounds or 32 kilograms repeatedly and stand for long hours. Be ready for random physical inspections. Security is tight, and getting caught with restricted items can cost you your job or worse. Outdoor roles may require you to work in rain, heat, cold, or even snow, so physical stamina is a must. Expect long shifts, night work, weekends, and holidays. Airports never sleep, and neither do their teams. Customer service roles. If you're applying for roles like gate agent, station attendant, or cabin service, strong communication skills are key. You'll be helping passengers, answering questions, and staying calm during delays or other stressful situations. If you're fluent in multiple languages, that's a big bonus, especially at international airports. How to find a job? Ready to apply? Head to the official websites of major airlines and look under the Careers or Jobs section. There, you'll find openings for baggage/cargo handlers, ramp agents, cabin service, ground maintenance, station attendants, and more. Once you find a role that interests you, check the eligibility requirements and follow the instructions to apply online. Working ground crew at an airport is exciting, fast-paced, and incredibly rewarding. You'll be part of a huge operation that keeps people moving across the globe every day. It's not always easy, but if you love aviation, it's one of the best places to start. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.